program paid for by Yaba TV.
Welcome to our beautiful show, the Yaba TV show. I am your host, Yesia. Today we are coming to you from on location. We are at Centinela Hospital in Inglewood with a company called Centro Medico Clinic Community Center. This is the place where it's happening. They have 13 locations. This is their newest one, and it's a grand opening today, and it's open to every Inglewood resident. And if you're not an Inglewood resident, I'm pretty sure you're still welcome to visit. With or without insurance, they promise to be of service to you. So we are all in for a treat today. I'm going to speak with Andy Piskoulian, the executive director of this organization. I'm going to speak with Dr. Cadran Gill, and so many other doctors and nurse practitioners. So we are all in for a special treat today. Tell everybody you know about our brilliant show coming your way. We'll be back after these messages.
I'd like our chairman, Ed Laffian, to start with our prayer. At CMCC, we always start our day with a prayer. And so,
thank you. Welcome, good morning. We humbly ask you for your grace to bring peace to the world, peace in our communities, our hearts, and our work. Thank you for your constant guidance and protection over Centro Medico. May our efforts reflect compassion, respect, and equity. Help us to care for each patient with dignity, support each teammate with appreciation, and embrace each challenge as a chance to serve. Guide our thoughts, strengthen our purpose, and keep our mission at the heart of all we do. Amen.
I also want to thank our community partners and the patients who have given us the opportunity to serve them. I'd also like to acknowledge the leadership at Centinela Hospital. You guys have been really instrumental in making this happen. I see the mission and the passion to serve the community and the patients in the same manner that CMCC's leadership and board members view it. That's very critical to us. And thank you for inviting us onto the Centinela campus. It's really a pleasure to be here and to serve the community alongside Centinela. I also want to offer a special thanks, somebody who really made this happen. I want to offer a special thank you to Dr. Jamison for recognizing Centro Medico as a key resource for the community, and for supporting a model that strengthens access to care beyond the hospital walls, and that's very, very important for us. In light of everything that's happened in the 6 weeks, all the way from housekeeping at this building to leadership and to all the community members, I want to thank you for supporting us. And we're looking forward to seeing many, many patients, although we like to see healthy patients. I always say, let's see healthy patients. But if we need to take care of the sick, the needy, the underserved, those who have any issues that could be served within the CMCC walls, we're happy to do so. So with that being said, I'd like to do our ribbon cutting ceremony, and then we can get to know each other, grab a bite to eat, and kind of mingle and see how we can collaborate and do great things in this community.
Bravo!
Thank you, everyone.
It has always been my obligation to work together as a team collectively. So there's no little I's and no big U's, and I appreciate the opportunity to be a part of Centro Medico Community Clinic.
How do you feel for this event to take place today? Within 6 weeks, you made it happen. You were part of the people that made this happen. How do you feel?
I feel amazing. This whole process was expedited, and it's because I know Andy have the passion for the community, And we saw the need for the people that really need this type of services, the underprivileged, the uninsured, and people that need quality health care. And this is what we're going to be doing. We're going to support the mission of Centro Medico Community Clinic.
Thank you so much. You are the founder of this whole event, the originator, the executive director. You're wearing so many hats. So you came right in the middle of Inglewood, Centinela Hospital. There's no better location, in my opinion, than this. How do you feel?
Feel great. Inglewood was a childhood place for me as a Lakers fan, and those who know, Great Western Forum. So to come back into this community and to have the support that we have to make a difference is it's a privilege. It's really a privilege.
Mm-hmm. What services are you going to be offering here?
So at Centro Medico, we offer primary care services alongside other specialty care. And we also just developed a resource center with case management to help those who need more than medical care, which is social services.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. From my understanding from our previous discussion, you also have transportation services for patients that cannot possibly afford to come to your clinic. Do you still have that?
Yes, we provide transportation services for patients. Basically, at Centro Medico, we go at all costs to bring the patient into the doors and make sure that they get great care with our providers. Mm-hmm. And, facilities like this, sometimes you don't see facilities like this in underserved areas. And we feel like, regardless of the economic demographics, we're serving all communities should be in beautiful campuses like this.
Mm-hmm. You talk about the underserved. There are some that probably don't have insurance. How are you going to treat them?
Graciously, just like we treat those who do have insurance. There's no such thing as you don't have insurance and you don't get seen by a provider. You can walk in and be seen by a provider regardless of your economic situation.
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm. This is a great undertaking right here in the community, Inglewood. I'm pretty sure the mayor and every person in Inglewood will enjoy your presence here in the community. I want to thank you for that.
Thank you. Yeah, we had a lot of city officials that said we'd love to be there, but 6 weeks is really fast. And so our schedule is pretty filled up. So, but we have great support here with the hospital and everybody who's gonna collaborate with Centro Medico. So
I'm sure there will be next time when you, let's say, celebrating your anniversary. That will give them enough time to come and show their support.
Our next clinic is our next expansion is at the Corona Medical Center, mm-hmm. where we actually have our flagship clinic, mm-hmm. and we have a March 6th grand opening there for our vision center, our wellness department, and our newly built resource center.
All right. Thank you for your time.
Thank you.
Sure. Be back after these messages.